In today's video, I'm going to show you how to arrange your pins within your Pinterest boards. Super excited to get right into it. So, the first thing you want to do is choose a Pinterest board you want to edit and click the organize button. Once you click that, you can click a pin, hold it, and drag it around to where you want it to be. That simple and that easy. Before, you weren't able to arrange your pins, they showed up in chronological order, but now you can choose exactly how you want your boards to be seen by your viewers. I think this is such an amazing feature, and I've just been going around and arranging my boards. Super excited about that. If you haven't already gotten the free training on how to build an awesome product line, see what all the fuss is about by going to ladymora.com/handmade. You are just going to be so overwhelmed with happiness because it's the best training ever.